Good morning students, standard 5. Today we will discuss about different types of angles. आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स के बारे में. ओके, तो चलिए पहले मैं आपको बता रहा हूं. पहला वाला है राइट एंगल. राइट एंगल. ओके, राइट एंगल किसको बोला जाएगा? दिस इज एन एंगल. ओके, अगर ऐसा है, इसका मेजर यहाँ क्लियर दिख रहा है 90 डिग्री. ओके, सपोज दिस इज O A B. You can write angle BOA. Angle BOA equal to 90 degree. So it is a what? Right angle. Next come to acute angle. कर्व acute angle बोला जाएगा. Okay. We will take another angle. Suppose its structure like this. Okay. It is also written as what? AOB. Got it? ये 90 डिग्री है ना? तो ये तो क्लियर दिख रहा है 90 डिग्री से छोटा है. It is less than 90 degree. Okay. Let it be what? 65 degree or 65 degree. So इसी प्रकार एंगल जो है इसको बोला जाता है acute angle. Means angle less than 90 degree. Okay. So AOB equal to 65 degree and it is less than 90 degree. So it is what? Acute angle. ठीक है? We will take the third type of angle. Suppose the angle is like this. Okay. This is AOB. And इसी फिगर को जब हम लोग कंपेयर करेंगे राइट एंगल के साथ, देखिए ये तो क्लियर पता चल रहा है 90 डिग्री से ज्यादा ही है. हो सकता है 125 डिग्री है. ओके, चलो पकड़ लेते हैं 125 डिग्री. तो सी 125 degree it is greater than 90 degree. Okay, but it is also less than 180 degree. होगा ना? तो this type of angle is known as what? This is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Okay, and another one is okay straight angle. When an angle is said to be straight angle. Okay, suppose you draw a straight line. This is AB. Got it? And in one side it makes 180 degree. Okay, इसको बोला जाता है क्या? स्ट्रेट एंगल. Straight angle. Okay, so these are different types of angle. Next come to when two angles are said to be complementary and when two angles are said to be supplementary. Okay, suppose two angles are given, means a pair of angles. A pair दिया हुआ है. Okay, कर्व और पेयर को कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री बोला जाएगा और कौन सा केसेस में सप्लीमेंट्री बोला जाएगा. गॉट इट? लेट अस टेक सम एग्जांपल. पहला है क्या? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल. ओके, a pair of angles means two angles are given. Suppose it is what? One is 60 degree and other is 30 degree. Okay, इसको हम लोग सपोज किए. Got it? Listen, let us add both of them. दोनों को ऐड करते हैं. 60 degree, 30 degree. Okay, so their sum is 90 degree. Okay, so two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. Okay, if their sum is 90 degree. In this case we can say both angles 60 degree and 30 degree are complementary to each other. Okay, each other. Okay, let us take another pair. Suppose one is 120 degree, okay, and other is 60 degree. Got it? Again we will add both of them. 120 degree plus 60 degree. This is equal to 180 degree. So if a pair of angles are given and their sum is 180 degree, then both of them are supplementary to each other. Okay? Supplementary to each other. Okay? Next, again we will discuss what are adjacent angles and what are vertically opposite angles. Okay? Adjacents मतलब क्या होता है, दोनों एंगल्स लगातार आना चाहिए. Okay? Both the angles have one common side. Suppose we draw a figure like this. Okay, this is O, A, B, C. So these are the two angles. Got it? And in this case, OB is common to both. OB is ray. Okay, OB ray is common to both angles A, O, B and what? B, O, C. So these two angles are said to be what? Adjacent angles. Got it? Let us take two straight lines and they intersect each other. This is one straight line, this is AB, and this is another straight line, what? CD. They are intersecting at a point. This is O. एक point पे दोनों intersect कर रहा है. Okay. So here two pairs of angles are formed. See, this is one pair and this is another pair. Okay. This is opposite to this one and this is opposite to this one. Okay. So these pairs are known as vertically opposite angles. Let us come to exercise. Okay, we will discuss some questions. See, 40 exercise 45. Your page number is 122. Page number 122. Got it? Question 1. Fill in the blanks. Dash has only one endpoint. Okay. You know very well, student, I have already taught you. When you consider a ray, okay, this is a ray. So this is the end point and it is extended in this direction. Suppose you take it AB. Okay, it is extended in the direction of B, but it has only one end point. So Dash has a only one end point. Simple, you have to write ray. Okay. Next come to question number. This is A. Next come to bit B. Dash has two end points. You take the case of line segment. Okay. Segments. You know very well. Segment have two end points. This is one and this is another point. So you have to fill segment. Okay. Segment has line segment has two end points. This is C. Okay, C. Next come to dash has no end points. B. You know very well when we take the case of line. Okay, this is a line. It is extended in both the direction. This is B. A line has no end point. Straight line. Okay. Straight line. Next, which of the following has a definite length? Question number 2. Okay, 4 options are given: ray, straight line, line segment, and none of these. Each line segment is given, it has definite length. Line segment, and it is option what? C. Got it? Write the following in symbol. Straight line AB. Got it? स्ट्रेट लाइन को कैसे हम लोग सिंबल में लिखेंगे? स्ट्रेट लाइन इज एक्सटेंडेड इन बोथ डायरेक्शन. So you write AB and put a mark on AB, putting arrows on both direction. This is okay. Straight line AB. This is straight line AB. Question number 3A. B. Line segment GH segment, it has two end points. No need to put arrow marks. Ray EF. Okay, C. Ray EF means EF. You have to put arrow mark in the direction of F. Okay. Question number 4. Pick the acute, obtuse and right angles from the following. 90 degree you know very well, it is right angle. 21 acute, 36 degree also acute, 165 degree obtuse, 130 degree obtuse, 57 degree obtuse, 57 degree acute, and 170 degree obtuse. Okay. So you will solve the rest problems. Okay. और जो बाकी है हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कशन करेंगे. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.